Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So we've been using this wearable for almost a year now, and as you can see here, it is still intact and it is still working. Although there's some few scratches, as you can see here, the back. The strap is somewhat, what do you say, decaying. Okay, very obvious when it comes to the looks here. There's a wear and tear for the strap. Okay, so after a year of using this wearable, so what are things that we like about the smartwatch? Okay, so what are the negative side about this wearable? On this video, we are going to state the pros and cons, what we like and what we don't like about this smartwatch. Okay, as we give way to the Redmi Watch 6 Active. Okay, so let's say goodbye to our Watch 5 Active by having a short review of its pros and cons. So if you want to know more about this wearable, you want to know what we like about the smartwatch and what we don't like, is it okay to upgrade to Watch 5 or Watch 6 Active? We'll answer this on this video. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Redmi Watch 5 Active pros and cons. The positive side of the 5 Active and, of course, the negative side. Is it time to upgrade? Okay, so I'm going to tell you my take on this smartwatch. Let's go first with what we like about this wearable. So we do have a support for the Bluetooth call. And what I like about the Bluetooth call here is the support for quick reply. As you can see here, we do have here the favorite contacts. We have a phone calls here. And we also have here a call history. Okay, so we do have a very good Bluetooth call functionality for the smartwatch. Plus, we do have a support for quick reply. Again, we do have here, we have the favorite contacts. You can add your phone number, and we have here the dial pad for the Bluetooth call. We also have here a phone book support. So if someone calls you, you can answer it here directly on the smartwatch. If you don't want to answer, you can have a quick reply. Okay, next, I also like here the comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, we have at least 140 plus of sports available on the wearable. We do have here, as you can see, outdoor activities. We have a training here, almost 40. We have the dance, combat sports, the ball sports. We do have a comprehensive list here, at least 26. The winter sports and recreational sports, cardboard, and games. There's no built-in GPS. That's the only thing that is missing. But it's available on the Redmi Watch 5 and the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay. Next, we have a very good health monitoring. So far, based on our test, it is very accurate, somewhat similar to our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, so very accurate heart rate monitoring, as well as our blood oxygen monitoring. It's not that far from its Xiaomi Smart Band 10, as well as the Huawei Band 11. We also have here the vitality score, showing the 7-day progress. Another feature that we like about the smartwatch is the smooth operation. As you can see here, very smooth transition of the menus, no lag at all. We do have some widgets here that you can customize. I like the menu style of our Redmi Watch 5 Active. Very easy to use. Just press here the power button and you can access the menu, and the menu transition here or scrolling is very smooth. Next, when it comes to the battery life, we do have a more than 2 weeks of battery life with a good or with a normal usage, at least 18 days. The standby time is also pretty good. Okay, we charged it several weeks ago. We did not use it so far, okay, for several weeks just to test it if the battery is still okay, and we still have at least 60, more than 60% of battery life after several weeks. Okay, so very good battery life for our wearable. Although the design is not that attractive, as you can see here, okay, we do have a plastic body frame. I like here the quick release pin for the smartwatch. Easy to replace. You can buy third-party strap online, no matter what the brand, and it is easy to attach. Okay, standard 22mm strap. So, as you can see, sporty, lightweight wearable. Okay, so here are the list of positive features, or here are the list of features that we like about this smartwatch. Okay, next, what are the things or the features that we don't like that is missing on this smartwatch? Okay, so we will go now to the negative part of this Redmi Watch 5 Active. First, the screen display. The screen brightness here for this wearable is not good, or we can say it is in a average side. It's only 497 nits, around 500. I think for the new Redmi Watch 6 Active, we already have 1500 nits. So that is triple the brightness of our Watch 5 Active. If you are using this, especially outside, it's a bit dark due to the low brightness nit, or due to the low nit brightness. Okay, the screen display is also just okay. It is using the LCD. It's not that sharp, as it has a it has an okay screen technology. It is using the IPS LCD, similar to other low or budget smartwatch. Okay, the black border is also not good, very wide compared to other wearable. Okay, as you can see here, we do have a white background or a black background, but if you're going to pick a white background, you can see the very wide black border here. Okay, I think you can glance here. Going to have a closer look at the screen, you can see the very wide black border of the smartwatch. Okay, it's almost half a centimeter, especially here on the bottom part. It is just using an LCD screen compared to our new Redmi Watch 6 Active is now upgraded to AMOLED screen display with a high pixel resolution. Again, what we don't like is the wide black border. Okay, here as you can see but it's a bit obvious here for this one. Next, the push or the smart notification. I don't know why they did not include the feature for quick reply. If you receive push notifications, whether it's SMS or app notifications, you will not be able to have a quick reply. So there's no support for quick reply. The quick reply is only available for Bluetooth call. Okay, again, for its smart notifications, there's no support for quick reply. So that's it for our pros and cons about the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, I'm going to list again the things or the features that we don't like about this wearable. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below and stay tuned for our review of the successor for the Watch 5 Active, the Redmi Watch 6 Active. We'll also have a comparison review of these two wearable. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.